In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Zoom. Whether you finished a meeting or simply want to switch accounts, signing out can be essential. Let's walk through the process step by step together. First, let's make sure you are on the Zoom application or website's main interface. This is your starting point where you'll find all the necessary options to manage your account settings and preferences. It's important to have this open in front of you so you can follow along with ease. Once you have the Zoom platform open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. This is where you will see your profile icon. It might display your initials, a picture, or a generic avatar representing your Zoom profile. Clicking on this profile icon will open up a drop-down menu which contains several options related to your account and its settings. After clicking the profile icon, you'll discover that this drop-down menu includes options not only to manage your account, but also to explore various settings and features Zoom offers. For now, our focus is on signing out, so draw your attention to the option that says Sign Out. It's typically one of the last options in the list. Click on the Sign Out option, and by doing this, you'll be logged out of your Zoom account on that particular device or browser. This step is crucial if you're using a shared or public computer, as it ensures your account remains secure and personal information stays protected. So, to recap what we've done, you've identified your profile icon in the top right corner, clicked it to open a drop-down menu, and then selected to sign out from the options provided. These simple steps help maintain your privacy and keep your account safe when concluding your Zoom activities. A helpful tip to remember is that upon signing out, you'll be redirected to the Zoom login page. This is useful to log in again with the same account or switch to a different account if needed. Plus, if you have multiple Zoom accounts, this process becomes handy for managing them without any hassle. And just like that, you've successfully learned how to sign out of Zoom, keeping your account secure and ready for the next meeting or session. If there are other tasks or features you'd like to explore in Zoom, feel free to check out our other tutorials. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like, and thank you for watching.